to Ring a Star. It's that time of the week once again, जहां हम आपको मिलवाते हैं आपके फेवरेट स्टार से. आज जिस स्टार से आप रूबरू होंगे वो ब्यूटी एंड ब्रेन्स का यूनिक कॉम्बिनेशन है. सिल्वर स्क्रीन पर जब इन्होंने फर्स्ट टाइम कदम रखा तो लोगों ने कहा, कहो ना प्यार है. Yes, the very charming and beautiful Amisha Patel is with us today. Amisha, welcome to Ring a Star.
Thank you.
How does this work for you? The fan connect. What do you think of this kind of a show?
I think a show like this that reaches out to so many people, where your fans can actually talk to you and hear your voice live, I think it's amazing.
Well, since you're so excited, Amisha Patel हमारे साथ यहाँ पे है, the gorgeous woman, and she is very excited to speak to you guys. So who am I to stop anything? Let's get going and get our first caller of the day.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi there. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Rashida.
Rashida, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Bombay.
And you know that we have the lovely Amisha Patel with us. Question क्या है
Yes.
आपका Amisha के लिए?
Hi, Amisha. I find you so adorably pretty. I want to know who is your favorite co-star?
You know, I have so many favorites because I've had so many lovely experiences. Ritik is my first. He'll always be special. Sunny was someone who I started working with, and I was actually scared that I'm working with this multiple national award winner and how will I perform with him, but he's such a gentleman. He looks like all muscular and, you know, masculine and overbearing, but he's a sweet little lamb. And I love Bobby. I've loved working with Salman. I've loved the professional Amir. Shah Rukh, even though I did a little bit, he was so warm and nice. So all my stars, I mean, they've been amazing.
And
Sanju
who do
is
you
my doll. I love Sanju, you know. He's just the cutest. And I've loved working with Govinda and Tushar. I have a film releasing with them on the 14th of January, and they are so funny, you know, so comic. So I have learnt and loved working with everybody.
And who do you hang out with from Bollywood?
Well, Sanju and Manita are really close friends of mine. And then there's Ritik and Suzanne and Arjun Rampal as well. So a couple of people who I've had from the beginning and who I have a really good connection with.
It was great talking to you.
I'm so happy you're happy.
Yeah, I love you.
I love you too. Mwah.
Thanks for calling, Rashida. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
You did a whole baby shower thing very recently
Yeah,
as well.
it
So
was
the whole...
really went off really well, and Sanju and Manita were so happy. She was nervous actually and anxious, and now they've had the babies also. It's amazing.
She's not just beautiful, she's also a very good friend. So come, let's befriend her right here on Ring a Star, only on Zoom. Well, it's no secret that people see you as a lucky factor in films. You started with Kaho Na Pyar and Ritik, and look where he's gone today. There's Gadar, and that was... Yeah, look, she's saying it herself. She knows it all. She knows where
I was
exactly what I'm
lucky,
getting
yeah,
to.
all
And we've
different
also
things.
heard there's this whole phase of Leander Pace that's going to come
Yes,
in very
oh my
soon.
God.
So let's see what, looking forward to what it does to him. मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि बाकी fans क्या सोचते हैं कि आपके साथ जो best on-screen pairing है वो किसकी होती है? So we have a surprise AV for you.
Oh.
Let's have a look at that.
I think Hrithik Roshan looks good with Amisha Patel. They showed good chemistry in Kaho Na Pyar Hai.
Dino Moria.
I would say Sunil Shetty.
I think it's with Hrithik Roshan.
Upen Patel, Saif Ali Khan, they had a good chemistry in that movie, Kauna Pyar Sona Magic.
With Amisha Patel as in Kaho Na Pyar Hai, Hrithik Roshan was just superb like. But I think so even Imran Khan also can be good with Amisha Patel.
Hrithik Roshan, because I have seen only her with Hrithik Roshan.
They look good pairing each other.
Amisha Patel, I think that should be Sunny Deol because they had a good on-screen pair with in Gaddar.
Hrithik Roshan.
I guess Hrithik Roshan.
I think Himesh Reshamya is the best person for it. I think it's Hrithik Roshan. Tushar Kapoor.
Wow.
Okay, which is your favorite thing?
Sounds really, really
Random
different
stuff as
and
well.
random, you know. That was really an eye-opener. Actually, people really have different opinions.
चलिए देखते हैं और कौन फोन करने वाला है, कौन लकी होने वाला है. People, keep calling. We have Amisha Patel with us. Let's go on to our next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Amisha. This is Neha here.
Hi, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Pune.
Oh, my favorite city.
Well, Amisha, I wanted to ask you one question. I've heard most of your friends call you Annie Poo.
Amy
and
Poo.
I think that's a very cute nickname. So, is there any story behind it?
Well, I have two nicknames. One is Angel and one is
Okay.
Amy Poo.
Okay.
Angel, my uncle in Paris, gave me when I was very young, and he didn't have any daughters. Now he has 3 beautiful daughters, and he used to call me
Okay.
his little angel and shower me with love and affection. And then
Yeah.
Amy Poo, a really close friend of mine, gave me because he was like, Amy, Amy, Amy Poo, cutie Poo, Amy Poo, cutie Poo. It just rhymed. And then everyone picked up on that. So it's really sweet, and it just stuck somehow. It just went with me. So people said, okay, Amy Poo is her name.
Okay, that's really sweet. I really like that name, so I thought I should ask you this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You can call
Very
me
nice
Amy Poo
talking to
too
you,
now.
Amisha.
Thanks for calling. Bye.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Amy Poo, I quite like that. It's got a nice ring to it. On Ring a Star, you have Amy Poo here. Come on, call
Amy
her.
Single Poo.
Amy Single Poo, that's it. That's it. We have a middle name for her today. But at Ring a Star, we wanted to find out कि your sort of biggest know-it-all fan कौन है जिसको सब कुछ पता होना चाहिए इसलिए हमारा ये question भी answer करना जरूरी है. So that's why we went out and we asked people if they know this about you. So let's have a look at this one.
Oh.
इट मे बी के एसेसरीज उसकी हॉबी होगी.
मे बी उसकी बैग्स हो सकती है क्योंकि वो पूरे दिन बैग को लेकर घूमती है इसलिए शायद मे बी बैग हो सकती है.
मे बी शॉपिंग.
वो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े पहनती है सो आई फील शॉपिंग इज़ अवर हॉबी.
मुझे लगता है वो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे शूज़ पहनती है तो शूज़ कलेक्टिंग उसकी एक हॉबी हो सकती है.
आई थिंक सो ट्रैवलिंग हो सकती है.
उसे डांसिंग करना अच्छा लगता होगा.
आई गेस बाइंग कॉस्मेटिक्स.
मे बी शॉपिंग.
Wow.
You're a shopaholic according to them.
They made me a
Shoes,
shopaholic.
bags.
But it feels good because I guess, you know, when people view you as a style icon and you take effort to, you know, pick that one little piece of clothing or a nice accessory like a pair of shoes or a bag and people notice, it feels good because they're pretty things and pretty things should be noticed.
A unique combination, like we said. ये rare combination आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. और आज जहाँ मिलेगा, शो का नाम है Ring a Star, only on Zoom. So people don't waste that time and keep calling because this gorgeous woman won't be here all day. You know that, right? भाग गई तो फिर मत बोलिएगा. So let's see who this caller is now. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Where are you calling from?
Calling from Bombay. My name is Natasha.
Natasha, what's your question for Amisha?
My question for Amisha is, I'd like to ask her, आपकी और मान्यता के बीच में ऐसी क्या similarities है कि आप इतने अच्छे friends हैं?
Hi Natasha, पहले तो मैं बताऊंगी कि मान्यता एक इतने बड़े स्टार की पत्नी होते हुए भी बहुत डाउन टू अर्थ है, बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत हम्बल है और दिल की बहुत साफ है. और मेरी और उनकी कनेक्शन इस वजह से होती है कि कोई प्रिटेंशियस बातें नहीं होती. हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ कैसे भी बैठ सकते हैं, कुछ भी बातें कर सकते हैं और सुख दुख में हमेशा हम एक दूसरे के लिए पहले होते हैं. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें होती है जब आपको एक स्पेशल फ्रेंडशिप, एक ऑनेस्ट फ्रेंडशिप बनानी हो और मेंटेन करनी हो. अगर आप प्रिटेंड करते होंगे कि मैं ये ऐसी हूँ या आपको बैठना पड़ता है एकदम बन ठन के और ये सब, तो वो फ्रेंडशिप्स रियल नहीं होती. एंड द बॉटम लाइन इज़ दैट लाइक मी, शी इज़ एक्सट्रीमली ट्यून्ड इनटू वर्ल्ड इवेंट्स. उनको पढ़ना लिखना अच्छा लगता है. शी इज़ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, शी इज़ वेरी ग्राउंडेड, शी इज़ एट हार्ट सब कुछ होते हुए भी अ वेरी सिंपल पर्सन. एंड हर सिंप्लिसिटी इज़ हर ब्यूटी विच इज़ आई हैव फॉलन इन लव विद.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Natasha.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.